Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your Coinbase wallet. First, download the official Coinbase wallet application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a brand new wallet. It's super important to carefully read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Finally, create a strong, unique password to secure your new digital asset home. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Next, it's absolutely critical to back up your recovery phrase immediately. Write down all 12 words in the correct order and store them in a very safe, offline location. Then, you can easily connect your new Coinbase wallet to your existing Coinbase Exchange account. Just follow the simple on-screen prompts to securely authorize this connection. This link makes transferring your crypto between the two platforms incredibly convenient and straightforward. Now that your wallet is set up, let's get some crypto in there. Navigate to the Receive tab within your Coinbase wallet application. Here, you'll select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You'll then see your unique wallet address, copy this address, or scan the provided QR code. Finally, send your chosen cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange to this exact address. It's a simple process. Security is paramount, so always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Make it a habit to regularly review your transaction history to spot any unfamiliar activity. Remember, never, ever share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. They are the keys to your funds. With your wallet active, you can now explore a vast world of decentralized applications, collect NFTs, and manage your digital assets with confidence. Enjoy your crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.